Welcome back, my curl friends. Welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I'm taking down my braids. Oh girl, these have been in for a month long. I call them wig braids because I only wear these braids under my wigs. And then we're gonna be heading to the shop the next day. But listen, it's a hair growth for me. And I know you're probably wondering, where's the hair growth, sis? Well, we had a little setback, but here we are, and we're kind of starting over from last year, you know, from all my wash and goes and stuff. And yeah, look at the hair. Y'all, I just took my braids down, and I am so excited because I have a hair appointment tomorrow. And I'm super happy. So of course, the day before, I always take down my braids and I give my scalp a good massage, get all that stuff out of my hair, all that gook, and just detangle my hair. Now, we are going into another wig, and I'm just gonna show you my little options for my wigs because it's just so much fun to switch it up. Hello to my girls. So this one's name is Jess. She is long. This was like my first, no, this is my second ever wig, but I purchased this one from an influencer and, you know, bought her for $300, and we ain't looked back since. But that's that one. Me and her, we've had some good times, okay? Some good times. All right. Now for my second wig, is the one that you guys see me wear quite often. This one has the texture more similar to my hair. It's like, you know, it's very similar to my hair. She has a bang. I just styled her yesterday for church. So I was like, I'm going to church. This is the first Sunday we're going to church. But so this is this one here. And I love her. I don't even know what her name is. Sorry, girl. My baby that I made. And I actually styled her as well yesterday. And I was just thinking maybe she will be worn straight. So I straightened her. And, you know, she a little thin right there. You know, she a little thin, guys. But the good thing is that you can always move the parts wherever you want them to be. So anyways, I usually do a side part with her. That is my girl. Listen, she has some inches. We have Bobbiana 2.0. Let me go ahead and grab her. Ooh. This is Bobbiana 2.0. This is my girl that I've been wearing a lot. I love wearing her. And she has also been styled. She's already styled. She's ready to go, okay? So this is my girl. She is styled. And I love the plucking. This is my girl. Like, do you see her? She has attitude. You know, I low-key need to give her a red lip. Not the other wig just slid off the girl, where you going? She's like, put me back up since you ain't gonna wear me. Put me back up. But yes, this is the one I'm actually gonna be installing sometime tomorrow. So I press my, you know, my sideburns out a lot. Like, I press them out, and I just wanna know, why is it that no matter how much I press them, they never get heat damage? Make it make sense. But let it be up here. Let me just press it 3 times. Boom. Let me just flat iron it 3 times. Heat damage. Like, what is that? This hair feels so good. She still looks really healthy. I don't see damage. I don't see damage at all. I see my hair looking pretty short because of my last cut, but I don't see any damage. Like, ooh, girl. So soft. I was not expecting it to be that soft. I was like, whatever she put on my hair. Girl, right?
You just not taking out the braids?
Yes. I know, right? It's been a month. I know. I told you it was gonna be in for a month, girl. Exactly a month. Ooh. You said what now? What you say?
I said your ends real good. You can feel them. Like, take a piece and go like this. We'll put it back on you. Got it unwrap.
You said that.
Let's take a whole twist out. Feel it.
Yeah, I know. I was feeling it all last night. I was like, I don't understand. Like, how is it this? Whatever you put on that, I don't know. My hair just felt so. It feels so good. I was actually really shocked.
I don't even remember what I did.
Yeah, I don't know what you did because I just know you braided it up, but like in and out of my wigs. I just sprayed it. That's all I did. Sprayed some leave-in. That's it.
Yeah. So that helps too. That's definitely gonna help. What are you gonna do with your hair?
Oh, we're gonna wig it up.
You're gonna wig it. Okay.
My favorite thing ever. This is so good. Oh my gosh. Obviously it's itching because I'm working out and everything, you know. So, girl, finally to have that scratch. Oh.
I know what you mean.
I promise you, the way that she washes hair, the way that she gets into your scalp, girl, oh my gosh. My hair always feels so amazing whenever I come to I Love Lulu's in Inglewood. They are amazing. My girl, listen, they're all gonna hook you up, but my hair is always so well taken care of. And I just can't see myself ever stop coming here. Just look how she blow dries my hair. It's in a book. Wow, she feels really, I think it's that protein treatment. It just feels real strong.
Do you have a picture or a video from last time?
Yeah. I don't have my tripod, so I can't even. Definitely gotta go.
Yeah. No, you're good. It's like literally, you can see it.
Oh yeah, goodbye. You gotta go. No, really, cut, you know, cut what you need to cut, because last time you was like, you know, we're gonna have to cut another inch next time. I was like, okay, all right, well, we'll see, you know. So I love coming here because of the patience and the care that they take on my hair every single time. This young lady right here can do some hair. She can cut some hair. She can blow dry some. Just what can't she do, you know? But like I was saying before, I will continue coming back here. By the way, I know I said that she was going to cut an inch off this time, and I was expecting it. But guess what? She did not have to cut an inch off. And I promise you, I was actually really, really shocked. I was like, what? So earlier what she was telling me was that it's just the very, very ends that needs to be trimmed, and it's not a whole inch. And she was so proud of how soft my hair was, still very moisturized. And, you know, I'm so proud. So yeah, we're going to be in wigs for a little bit. Sorry, ladies, but yeah. Oh my gosh.
It's just water. Be careful.
The front always gets long though. I love it. I just love this. Okay, we're gonna get, you know, to where we try. Let me do. Oh no, I'm not going over there. Yeah, this is way less than last time. Hey friends. As you can see, I got my hair trimmed. Ooh, it is hot in here. I'm not gonna even hold you. So I got a protein treatment. She was like, let me just give you a little bit of protein, you know, just keep your hair nice and strong and healthy. And it's definitely really strong right now. I'm just so happy with my hair right now. Like, y'all don't even understand. I love my hair. But let me make it home really quick, and I will, because I want to be driving and, you know, doing this video. But let me make it home and let me give you my last little comments. And I'm so excited. Listen, your girl just left the hair salon. Oh, let me take this off, girl. Like, I'm so excited. I couldn't even clear off my bed. Like, I just couldn't. Let me tell you something, girl. It's the way that this hair has grown. I know that you probably like, girl, it didn't grow that much. But here's the thing, it did. Even my hairstylist was like, your hair grew a lot. It grew a lot. Like, what? Now, the last time that you guys saw me, I remember I was in the car. I remember showing you guys where my hair has like gotten to, like as far as like the front and everything like that. I'm gonna do a better job this video showing you guys where my lengths are. So let's just go ahead and do it now. So the front, so anywho, Okay. This is where we are right now. All right. Let me see the sides. This side is right here. I don't think I need to do both sides, but the sides are down here. Okay. Let's do back here. She is right here, a little past collarbone. Okay. And then somewhere in here. And she is right here. Let me clean the bed off. Oh gosh, girl. Okay, so now you guys have gotten my lens. Let me let you take a look at the back really quick. All right, so now you guys can see we are on a mission. Like I explained to you guys before, we're on a mission to growing this hair out this year. We're gonna do the same thing we did last year, except we're gonna take different steps, okay? So I'm going to braid my hair up, but I just have to let you guys see, your girl is growing. Like, look at her. Look, do you see this? You know, my hair tends to like to shrink back up. Okay, now you can see a little bit better. So she's heavy, she's full. See that shape? Then eventually she's gonna be down here. We're gonna see where she's gonna be in the next 2 months. Once I get to that length and then get to my next inspo video or inspo pic, then we're going to press her hair out. We're not doing the most, we're just gonna do a little something, just a little something, you know. But yes, I want to continue to bring you guys along for my journey, and yeah, we're gonna grow some hair. We're already growing. So yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. Go ahead and braid my hair back because, you know, like I said, we're preparing for Bobbiana 2.0. Period.